We mainly manufacture everything that involves wood. Wood aluminium windows and conservatories, wooden windows, front doors and conservatories. We manufacture everything in the field of wood with our 30 employees here in Reutlingen. It's a very, very, very different production process, but I wouldn't want to go back to the angular system under any circumstances, if only because the new system can work alone for up to 3 or 4 hours. Before my technician goes home at 4:30 in the afternoon, he fills the system again, then it's lights out and the machine carries on working. The dimensional accuracy is much higher than with an angled system, and it's much more flexible. In the past, if you wanted to install a special threshold, you had to think about it, and it would sit around in the corner for weeks until someone got round to doing the special milling. Today, we do this without batting an eyelid because it's all programmed.
Grundsätzlich sind viele Arbeiten nun schon auf der Maschine gemacht, wo ich früher...
A lot of work is now being done on the machine where I used to have to re-mill and do special milling. The man who used to stand at the machine all day is no longer at the machine. He fills it once and then does something else. He can continue with production, and many milling operations are automatic because they're programmed. In other words, there is simply a much faster throughput.
Also von dem her ein wesentlich schnellerer Durchlauf auf jeden Fall.
When it comes to profiles, the machine can do everything. You have to know that. The machine can do everything. I can put everything on it. I can buy all the tools. I can buy the tools twice. It's even faster when it's double loaded. You just have to know, how much do I need? How much does the machine have to output? Which systems make sense?
Wer mit dem Gedanken sich befasst, eine CNC-Anlage zu kaufen.
If you are thinking about buying a CNC system, you should really take a close look at it. Don't think there's only one manufacturer. You really have to look at the machine and see what suits your business. Preparation is very important. What do I want to do? Determine beforehand which profiles you want to make and then decide on the right machine. The preparatory work is the most important thing of all, knowing what the machine has to do.
Die Vorarbeit ist, glaube ich, die wichtigste überhaupt, zu wissen, was muss die Maschine überhaupt machen.